Good day, guys. Yeah, I dropped this project some days ago, and people have been finding it difficult how they can link their distance to it, how they can link their wallet, and how to even get started. Let me tell you, as at the time of recording this video, the listing date just remain 3 days. Let quickly add to this project. It's very simple and straightforward. It's backed by Bitget. Yes, just do it on time. Now let's get started without wasting much of our time. Now I'll be starting from fresh, which is I'll click from the link wherever you get the link from, and if you haven't started, check the link in the comment section and you start now. Just your point, you can finish it within 15-10 minutes, and you'll be expecting your own share. So now the first thing we need to do is click on the link. Once you click on the link, you can copy it and paste it on any browser. But for me, to be redirecting me to what's it called? To be redirecting me to Chrome. So wait for it to get load. It's going to load, and once it load, as you can see, it's loading already. Cros. So the first challenge people we have is that this thing is not loading up. It's not just chill. It's going to load up. It's going to load up. So once it's load up, you see it. What you just need to get started with, put in your email and you submit. It's just going to load up. You just have to wait. I want you to read this thing. You are currently in the waiting room. Do not refresh the page. The form will load below within a minute. So now, within a few minutes. So as you can see, the form has already loaded. What do I need to do is to supply my email. I'll supply my email. So after supplying it, then I'll click on verify you are a human. Once I click on it, I'm going to verify Sussex. Then I'll log in. So as you can see, check this thing first. I don't have any points. So what I'll be doing first is to show you how to copy your Bitget UID and your Bitget wallet address. These are the this thing you need to do, the task to earn points. As you can see, 250, 200, 300. So you do it. Once you this is the link you copy to share with your friends so that they can join. Any friend that joins through your link, you earn 200 points from them. Then after that, you see this is the point. You click on execute. Once you click on execute, you'll be directed to your what's it called, to your X Twitter. You follow them. You understand? So this is mine now. As you can see, I've gotten 300 points. So that's how you would do every. Let me click on it, execute. So I'll be getting 550, as you can see. So what we're after now is to copy our Bitget UID and cross deposit address. So now let's go to our Bitget exchange, not Bitget wallet. This is wallet and this is exchange. What we are using is Bitget exchange, not wallet. So let me go to my Bitget. Then once I go to my Bitget, I'm going to copy out. I'll copy out the UID. As you can see, this is the home button. Now you click on this dot, this angle, this box. You see it, that box, you click on it. So this dot, I'll click on it. So once I click on it, it's going to show me, you see this area, you see the UID, see this UID here, the UID. So what I just need to do is just click on it. Once I click on it, you see copy. As you can see, copied. Then I'll go back to the Cros. So let me go back to the Cros. Enter your Bitget UID. I'll paste it here. Then I'll click on submit answer. As you can see, that is my UID. Yeah, I've copied it and submitted it. Then the next to it is our what's it called, our Bitget, our cross deposit address, as you can see. So now how do we do it? Let's go back to our Bitget. Let's go back home. I'll go back here. So it's very simple, the same step of copying all. So I'm on home page like this. I'll click on add fonts. So you see it now, it's going to load up. My network is a little bit slow here. So after you've seen it, I'll be clicking on deposit with crypto. It's a deposit crypto. Click on it like this. So once you click on it, let it load, finish. It's going to load up now. What we just have to do is to search for Cros. we can start looking for it, but it's going to take time. What you just have to do is to see the search button at the top, this search bar. You click on it, search for Cros. Can you see Cros token? Cros token. As you can see, that's Cros token. So it's going to load up. Is either you select Polygon, but I'll go for Ethereum 20, which is a ERC20. I'll click on it. After clicking on it, it's going to bring out the address. Wait for it. Can you see it? Can you see? Let me refresh it. I think the network is not that. Go back. Deposit with address. Deposit with crypto. Then Cros. I have it already as my search history. Cros. Then I'm going to copy it. The network is crawling. So then Ethereum, you see the address. You see the address here. I'll just click on copy. Then once I click on copy, I'll go back to my Cros, then paste it here, paste it, then submit. So submit answer. So it's going to submit the network. The network is giving me an issue here. As you can see, I've submitted both my UID and my Cros deposit. So the next thing I'm going to do is to start with my my task. You understand? Then after that, you see I've already gotten 800 points. So I'm going to finish them, and once I'm done, I'll be waiting for listening on 23rd of this month. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.